Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Akiflow as a widget on your iPhone home screen. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who use Akiflow as their project management tool or calendar. How do you actually go ahead and add it as a widget to your iPhone home screen? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to hold onto your iPhone screen and then wait until it starts to jiggle. Next, you're going to click on Edit on the upper left hand corner and then click on Add Widget. Here is where you're going to find your Akiflow app. So you're going to scroll down until you find Akiflow, so right over there. And then here you can cycle between all the different widget displays that Akiflow has to offer. So if you want to display this widget right over here, we just click on Add Widget. And then now you can basically drag and drop this widget anywhere on the screen that you'd like. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Akiflow as a widget on your iPhone screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.